Right, so in this video I want to go over another popular marketplace for internet marketers to sell their information products on. It's called JVZoo, and what's really attractive about JVZoo is it's kind of an all-in-one platform. It allows you to a bunch of different tools for creating your product and launching it and recruiting affiliates, and even gives you a sales page creator if you don't want to host your own website or domain. Allows you to get paid instantly through PayPal, which is very attractive because one of the drawbacks with ClickBank is the delay in payments. You just have a lot of freedom and flexibility with JVZoo. So you can be an affiliate or a seller. I recommend just coming over here to sellers, and you can actually have the affiliate and sellers account under the same account. So to be a seller, just sign up as a seller. It's free, and you can see all the cool things that JVZoo does. It has lifetime cookies. It integrates with all your membership plugins. It has tracking and statistics, so you can see your EPCs and your sales. You can create buttons, and they have all different kinds of buttons. Integrates with PayPal, instant sales page generator, and they just has a lot of tools for you to use, and it's free to sign up. So I'm just going to log into my account here. And it's real simple to create a new product. Once you sign up in your seller's dashboard here, you just come over here to where it says add a product and just fill this out. The marketplace is the JVZoo marketplace, so do you want to show it in there or not? Allow sales or not, so you can switch this on or off. You can schedule this to be live in the marketplace and have a specific launch day. Give your product a name, select a currency, fill out all this information about the price, commission. Do you want this to be a subscription or multiple payments? So I recommend giving a high commission to your affiliates that promote this. You can have a specific quantity, so you can leave it 0 for unlimited, or if you want to limit this particular product or service to a limited amount, enter your support email address, or if you have a support URL, you can enter it here. If you want to do like a pre-launch video or a pre-launch squeeze page, you can enter that URL here. And then you have these options here: send all traffic to sales page after launch date. You can check that yes or no. Now, for the sales page, you can have it on an externally hosted URL if you have your own domain, or here if you don't have a website and you just want to use JVZoo's platform, you can click JVZoo Instant Sales Page, and it'll actually give you a editor for you can create your sales page on, so you don't even have to. It'll all be hosted on JVZoo, so you don't even need a website. And then for the JVZoo, if you select sales page, then you'll have to choose. You got your options here for the delivery method. For the instant sales page, you got protected download, or you can have it go to a specific thank you page. You got your return policy here, your return period. Enter in how many days or weeks or months you want to be, and then I would always select make product eligible for product of the day, unless you want it to kind of be under the radar. You don't want a lot of people to know about this. Maybe it's something you're just promoting to your list. And then you can have these different selections here for your affiliates to be approved. And then all this stuff over here on the right hand side, this is for marketplace information for the JVZoo marketplace. Fill out all this information. You can give people a discount for sharing your product on Facebook, so when they go in the checkout process, they'll see a button that says save $5 if you share this on your Facebook. So this is a way for you to get more exposure for your product. If you want to make it a dime sale, you can fill out that information here, and they've got really helpful tutorials and support. So if you have any questions along the way, you can reach out to support, and they usually answer or respond back within 24 to 48 hours. And then GetResponse integrates with your autoresponder, which is awesome. So when you're making these sales, you can have the email address for the customer go directly into your autoresponder and collect that. And for that, you'll just need to enter in your autoresponder. So they support GetResponse, Aweber, Imnica Mail, and SendReach. And then they also integrate with webinars, as well as they have their own retargeting. So this is really cool. So you can send people to your sales page, and then if they click away and they don't purchase immediately, you can retarget them on Facebook, or if you have ad roll or perfect audience subscription. So pretty powerful, because retargeting is very powerful these days. And then you've got some external program integration here for like membership sites as well. So that's all there is to it to create an information product here on JVZoo. You've got some other tools here for finding products to promote. You'll come over here under affiliates and then click find products. For sellers, this is what you'll be. You can see, you can create coupons, you can create sales funnels. So to create a sales funnel, you'll just create multiple products, and then you can connect them all in the sales funnel area, and you can have upsells and downsells and cross sells and things, and just orchestrate this elaborate funnel with all your products that you create here in JVZoo. For affiliates, you can see your affiliates and approved payments. You've got different types of reports that you can run, and then you've got the marketplace, so you can see which are the products that are the most popular. So to give you some ideas for products that might be good to promote to your list. Then you've got some information here. I don't usually mess with much of this right here, but then once you get your autoresponder set up, I recommend GetResponse. This is where you would plug in your autoresponder API to make sure that it's synced up with JVZoo. And then you've got your support here, and then there's some recommended tools they suggest here. So it's very, very simple to get everything set up, and that's pretty much just the rundown overview of how to create and how to set up a product within JVZoo. And again, if you have any questions about any of these specific areas here, if you're having any trouble with any of these, they've got excellent support, and they doesn't take very long for them to respond to your questions. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, I just wanted to give you an overview of another platform to sell your products, because yes, you can sell things directly through PayPal, and it would be kind of more complicated to do it. It's even more manual that way, but the reason that JVZoo was created was to make it really, really simple to launch affiliate products and for internet marketers, and just give you a place to do everything you need, give you all the tools you need to do that very, very easily.